wanted to experience Mumbai train, so let's go and check it out. We are going to Victroia Terminus. We take the train from Mahalaxmi Mahal or something station and going to Victroia Terminus. That's the old name. The new name is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. So the ticket costs 10 rupees. It's like 10 pence. So let's get on the train. So the train arrived. Let's go. Is there any seats over there? Yeah. Hello. So this is our station. Go, 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 go. This is Dosa. We changed for Victroia. I don't know which line is it, but we have to change to another train. The colonial names.
No, colonial memory.
Yeah, memories, yeah. Okay guys, we arrived here and you can jump while it is moving, but I won't jump. I'll wait for it to slow down a little bit. So you can jump like this and move with the train. Yeah. So we arrived at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. It is huge, big. So the old name of this train station is Victroia Terminus. So they want to change all the colonial names to Indian names. Look at the font, so big. Here is a subway under the Victroia train station at Victroia Terminus. It looks like Palika Bazaar of Delhi. So guys, in front of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus in Mumbai, one of the historical train stations in Mumbai, which the old name is Victroia Terminus. It was built in honor of Golden Jubilee of 50th rule of Queen Victoria I. And the work started in 1878 and finished in 1887. It took 10 years to build this one. A British-born architect designed this one based on an Italian guy, Alex Higgs or something, sketch. So it is a kind of exuberant Gothic style architecture. It looks magnificent and majestic from here.
How much is one? How much? 40.
Bhaiya ek no, this one. I think there is cabbage. This dosa looks like very famous. Everybody's trying it. It looks delicious. Let's try this. So this is Maysory dosa. So this is without any sauce. Very hot. With green sauce You have to wait a little bit. It is very hot. It's nice but very spicy. It's very tasty. I think there is cabbage, potatoes, some other stuff. I have no idea. I asked them, they can't speak English. The actual dosa is very nice with the stuffing inside. So that's how you eat fast food and street food in India. Everybody is standing enjoying their food. We are standing out. You see, there is no seating space in here. Maysory masala dosa was very tasty. It's just in front of Victroia Terminus. Did you say the name? Vada pav. Vada pav.
Samosa pav.
Oh, wow, vada pav is 20 rupees. And let's see how does it taste. The vegetables is garlic and the coriander, potato,
masala, green chili.
green chili. Nice. This is nice. Vada pav, 20 rupees. So just try this one, vada pav. I was curious. There's potatoes and masala, a bit of garlic, I think inside. And because I wanted non-spicy, they put ketchup inside. So this is Indian burger. This is my favorite drink. Namaste, namaste. So this is, what do you guys call this one? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? गन्ने का जूस. गन्ने का जूस. It is delicious. Here you go, brother. This is my favorite juice. Which one is with ice?
Ice.
No ice? No ice, huh? This one, ice. Ice, no ice. Take it. Dhanyawad.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel. Making this delicious juice here. This is how they're making it. Oh, this is nice. Very nice, guys. Thank you. Ken juice. Ken. This is nice.
Bye.
Bye. This is how it looks like. Mumbai, 6 o'clock. Rush hour. Here we arrived out at Chowpatty beach. It's one of the famous beaches in Mumbai. It looks nice. Now the sunset over the skyline of Mumbai, it makes it kind of romantic. It looks, the color is kind of perfect. But the fog and pollution is too much that you can't see, almost you can't see those skylines from there. And there is stalls as well over there, food, juice, ice cream. It's not that dirty comparing to the standards in here. The sand is nice and soft. sunset at Chowpatty beach. Mostly locals coming here to enjoy and unwind after a hard day of work. So most of the families, everybody is here to enjoy their evening. Mutton dabago, chicken tangri biryani. Very interesting names. Chicken gurji and garam garam naan. Here you go, guys. I present you Marine Drive. So this is the skyline of Mumbai, which is called necklace. It looks like a carved necklace. It goes all the way down there towards gateway of India. It's very long. The only thing is that why I'm doing it at evening, because it is more pleasant at night than day. Day is too foggy and you can't see anything, and the sun is very short. So this is a part of attractions of Mumbai. So I wanted to show you that it is a part of attractions. And maybe if I have time, I will show you during the day as well. This part, how does it look like? It's a kind of more modern, new buildings in this area. Nice walkway, clean. There is no food vendors or anything. I think it is banned from here. And it is a nice, chilled, unwinding and relaxing atmosphere. People are running and jogging and stuff in here. Yeah, and people are sitting, and the guy is giving massage, malish, foot massage for 50 rupees on spot. Maybe I should try that one. People, Marine Drive.